These are the elevators at the Holiday Inn Express and Suites in Southside Flats, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Is it over Marshall Oildraulic Impulse or thyssenkrupp? I'm not really sure. Neither of the elevators are here. There's an FEO fire key switch right there. I think the left one's here. Here it is. Okay, I guess both cars have padding. I sent the other one away because I didn't want padding, but this one has padding, so we're going to have to lift the padding, I guess. And on one, here we go down. It's a little sticky. The sticker's totally missing. I think these are thyssenkrupp. I'll have to check when these were installed. Oh, wait, no, 2002, so these are thyssenkrupp. Center opening doors. I thought these had single slide doors or side opening doors. Up to 6. These are not in the greatest condition. Here to go up. Somehow I've never been in this hotel before. But here I am now. Bus sounds a little funny. Here at 6. This hotel's being renovated. Some construction up here, right down the 2. I guess that's what explains the wall pads. It sounds like they're actively working up here. No door open braille, and the other braille are damaged. 8A phone, they got rid of, I don't know what they got rid of or stopping. Here's the cab, it's just padding. And that's going to be it.